In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Monday.com if you want a darker, more comfortable look while working in Monday.com. This is a quick setting you can change in just a few moments. Dark mode can be especially helpful if you spend a lot of time looking at your screen, work at night, or simply prefer a cleaner and less bright interface. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To get started, open Monday.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main workspace or dashboard, look toward the corner of the screen where your profile picture appears. This profile icon is where many personal account settings are stored, including appearance options. Go ahead and click your profile picture. A menu should open with several account-related choices. From that menu, look for an option such as My Profile or Preferences. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your version of Monday.com, but it will usually be one of those settings areas where personal customization options are available. After opening My Profile or Preferences, take a moment to look through the available settings until you find the Theme or Appearance section. This is the area that controls how Monday.com looks on your screen. In some layouts, the theme setting may be easy to spot right away, while in others, you may need to scroll a little or check a side menu. Once you find the theme or appearance setting, select Dark Mode. This will switch the interface from the standard light view to a darker one. Dark Mode is designed to reduce screen brightness and can make the workspace feel more visually comfortable, especially during longer sessions. After selecting dark mode, make sure to apply or save the change if Monday.com gives you that option. Some accounts update the appearance immediately, while others may require you to confirm the setting before it fully takes effect. It's always a good idea to wait a second and make sure the new theme is applied properly. If dark mode does not appear right away, refresh Monday.com. A quick refresh is often enough to load the updated appearance and display the new theme correctly. Once the page reloads, you should see the darker interface active across your workspace. And that's it. You've successfully turned on dark mode in Monday.com, making your workspace easier on the eyes and more comfortable to use.